Hello everybody! Today we are going to check the latest iteration of the Modern Classics, part of Hot Wheels Car Culture segment. First out of the box, Volkswagen Corrado is new to the Hot Wheels lineup and, as you're going to see, there are a few more just like it. It's always exciting when new castings are introduced, spicing up the lineup can only be a good thing. I have not heard of this model in real life before, but I like how it looks. It has the stock look, but with an added body kit, so no crazy decals and liveries on it, but I dig it this way and I even enjoy the type of rims designer chose for this first release. In real life it was a small car, something like the Sirocco and the Jetta. Next one is probably the highlight of the set for many collectors, Honda Civic EG. Released for the first time in 2020 in the Fast and Furious Fast Tuners set, only part of premium so far, but starting 2024 it's also going to be released in the mainlines. Very neat Spoon Sports liveries and the two-tone colors look great on it. It might not be my favorite, but Hot Wheels can't go wrong with it in this set. Modern Classics had other iterations in the past and this Honda has also been part of the 2021 with the very known by now pink Hello Kitty version. How many of you have that version in your collections? Another new casting for Hot Wheels, Fiat Abarth, and another one I haven't heard of. This is cool though, cause with the help of Hot Wheels I can learn about cars and I can get surprised even after 12 years of collecting. The small sedan of the 70s had also been a rally car, and although this version has the stock colors, I would definitely enjoy to see the rally liveries in the future. It has those small rims that I'm not a fan of, but on this small casting, they work, exactly how a subscription will work for my channel, and if you have time, like or dislike this video, it will help me a lot. Toyota Altezza is the last new model, and it is also the chase of the case. I heard some collectors complain that it is bigger than it should be, but it was designed as a competitor to the European luxury sedans, and it is how it should be, especially compared to all other castings of this set. Obviously the chase, the black version, is the one you should be looking for, not that easy to find, although I have seen many of them found so far. This car is known as the Lexus IS, and nowadays that is the only name it has kept. 3 new castings of the set and I didn't know many things about them, so Hot Wheels definitely helps with knowledge when it comes to car enthusiasts or just die-cast collectors in general. Last casting of the set, Mazda MX-5 Miata. This is the only casting of the set that has only been part of mainline so far, but now we can enjoy it as a premium release. Stock version, cream interior, it's looking great and probably all the JDM collectors are going to agree with me. Released in 2019, it also had a green version with Ryu written on it. Obviously you guys know by now, its designer was Ryu Asada. It has been a while since we had 3 new castings in the same set, but we enjoy it. Hot Wheels can always surprise us like this. Also a surprise can be one of these cool sets, and you can check the case unboxing by clicking on one of these videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.